today Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is coming, so there's a lot of you can see.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights? Let me
1,000 years later.
believe. Let me believe. Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me
I'm gonna season it. Library. It's approximately 11 p.m. and I have completed ENT, FMT, Optha and one more subject is there, PSM, community medicine. Like there you can see this is the hostels. And the day was great, and I'm going back to the hostel. And this is my get up for today. गाजी खोल दीजिए. गाजी खोल दीजिए. दूध देके गए हैं. दूध auntie, thanks a lot to auntie. She has brought a lot of things for me, like you can see. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. एक मिनट आंटी. अच्छा प्लेट में घर का खाना बिल्कुल. हाँ बिल्कुल. हाँ खिला रही हूँ. ओके सारी चीज़ें लेके आई हैं आंटी. मेरा फेवरेट है ये. हाँ
You wanna know what's the meaning of love? You look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take.
Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you.
Thank you, auntie.
Thanks a lot.
Use it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms.
क्या आंटी? अब शायद फव्वारा बन जाएगा कुछ दिनों में, कुछ दिनों के बाद. हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आंटी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतनी सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए. थैंक यू. रानी जी को भी. ठीक है. थैंक यू.
चलो जाओ पढ़ाई करो.
हाँ जी. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Happy Makar Sankranti. It was a perfect day. Behind my college. And you can see here our hostel. Happy Makar Sankranti गार्ड जी. आप लोग कुछ खाएंगे या खा के आए हैं? और वो जो तिल और ये सब जो होता है. You have to walk after eating all those burger and pizzas.